Japan, a land of rich history, vibrant culture, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking natural beauty, is a dream destination for many travelers. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, Japan offers an unforgettable experience that blends the ancient with the modern. Here's everything you need to know before embarking on your journey to Japan, including the best time to visit, budget details, and how to book your dream trip with Jagriti Travel Solutions. Best time to visit Japan. The best time to visit Japan depends on your preferences for weather and seasonal events. Spring, March to May. Famous for cherry blossom season, the weather is mild and the country is covered in beautiful pink flowers, making it a picturesque time to visit. Autumn, September to November. The weather is still pleasant and Japan's landscapes transform with vibrant autumn colors. This is an ideal time for nature lovers. Winter, December to February. For those who enjoy skiing or snowboarding, Japan's northern regions like Hokkaido are famous for their winter sports and snow festivals. Summer, June to August. Although summer is warm and can be humid, it's the time for exciting festivals like Gion Matsuri in Kyoto and Tanabata in Sendai. Budget, Indian currency. Japan can be an expensive destination, but with careful planning, it's possible to travel on a budget. Here's a breakdown of the estimated costs for a typical trip. Flight tickets. A round-trip flight from India to Japan can cost anywhere from Rs 35,000 to Rs 60,000, depending on the time of booking and season. Accommodation. Budget hotels and hostels start at around Rs 2,000 to Rs 4,000 per night. Mid-range hotels can cost Rs 6,000 to Rs 12,000 per night, while luxury hotels will cost Rs 10,000 and upwards. Meals. Street food like sushi and ramen can be enjoyed for Rs 500 to Rs 1,500 per meal, while a meal at a mid-range restaurant may cost Rs 2,000 to Rs 4,000. Transportation. The Japan Rail Pass is an affordable option for long-distance travel, costing approximately Rs 11,000 for 7 days. Local subway rides are around Rs 150 to Rs 300. Attractions. Many temples and parks are free or have a nominal entry fee of Rs 200 to Rs 500, while museum tickets and attractions may cost Rs 1,000 to Rs 3,000. Estimated budget for 7 to 10 days. Rs 3,000 to Rs 150,000 per person, excluding flights depending on your choice of accommodation and experiences. Book your trip from Jagriti Travel Solutions. Ready to explore Japan? Let Jagriti Travel Solutions be your trusted travel partner. Our customized travel packages offer you a hassle-free experience, taking care of all your needs from flights and accommodation to sightseeing and local transportation. Whether you're looking for a relaxing trip or an adventure-packed journey, we provide personalized itineraries that suit your travel style and budget. Contact Jagriti Travel Solutions today. Book your dream trip to Japan with Jagriti Travel Solutions and make memories that last a lifetime. Our expert team is here to assist you in planning every aspect of your travel experience, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey.